Tired of ants running around your home? They sneak into the kitchen, crawl over the counters, and sometimes even reach your food. But today, I'm going to show you a simple, natural, and very effective ant trap you can make in just minutes, with nothing more than a plastic bottle and a couple of ingredients from your kitchen. No harmful sprays, no chemicals, and no expensive gadgets. Here's what you'll need: an empty plastic bottle, 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and some warm water. That's it. Simple and cheap. Start by cutting the bottle about 1/3 from the top. Keep both parts. The bottom will hold the mixture and the top will become a funnel. Now, let's prepare the bait. In the bottom part of the bottle, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. The sugar attracts the ants, while the baking soda interferes with their digestion. Then pour in a little warm water. Mix them together, just enough to create a sweet, sticky paste. Not too watery, or the ants might drown right away. Next, take the top part of the bottle, flip it upside down, and place it inside the bottom, just like this. You've now made a funnel that ants can crawl into easily, but it's very difficult for them to climb back out. Now, place your trap where you see ants the most: near windows, under cabinets, or along their trails. The smell of the sugar will draw them in, they'll crawl down through the funnel, and once inside, the baking soda will do its job. And that's it. You've just made your own natural, budget-friendly ant trap in just a few minutes. No sprays, no toxins, and no worries. If this tip helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe for more easy and effective home hacks. Thanks for watching.